Hey, my name's Aaron. I'm the owner of Veloci Performance Products, and today I want to chat a little bit about spray guns, which are, in my opinion, one of the most important components to your pressure washing or detailing setup. Reason being is this is what you're holding the whole time. You don't touch the hose the whole time, you don't touch the engine, the pump, none of that. Yes, they're all important, but this is what I'm going to be using physically to open and close the system the whole time, right? And I'm going to be using this all over. So here at Veloci Performance Products, we have a great range of trigger guns depending upon your needs. As an example, this is our entry-level M407 spray gun. We've put more than 100,000 of these into the market over the last, I'll say 10 plus years. On our website, it's priced right around $27. Great entry-level trigger gun. No built-in swivel, rated to 4,000 PSI and 7 gallons a minute. Now, if you want to jump up to more of a mid-tier option, we've got a brass inlet with a built-in swivel. This retails for about $50. Now you start to incorporate the MTM Hydro Easy Pull feature in here. When we did some testing against competitors, we had one of the lowest holding forces out of the 10 trials that we ran. Now the difference between us and the company with the lowest holding force in the market is we're slightly less expensive. So I think there's better value in the MTM Hydro guns. I believe it was about 3.08 pounds of holding force is what our guns tested under. Now you got to ask yourself, why is that important? If you're only using this for 30 seconds at a time, probably doesn't really matter to you. But if you're going to be detailing, like we've got our Minneapolis detail over here in our detail shop, I was just out there, guys out there washing cars all day long. This right here and holding a trigger open, you're going to create a lot of fatigue in your forearms and your shoulders. So every pound of holding force is going to matter to that operator. And in my opinion, the other thing to really consider is the durability and longevity of trigger guns. Not all plastics are created equally. Ours has fiberglass inlaid in the plastics for increased rigidity and strength. And truthfully, I'm a little impartial here, but it's made in Italy by a company who's been around for 50 plus years. It's not a fly-by-night, another white labeled gun on Amazon. There's a reputable brand and manufacturer standing behind it. Veloci and MTM Hydro, as we're partnered together, we stand behind our guns. We've got customer service on staff. You can call us at any time. We will help take care of you to the best of our ability. Lastly, if you want to jump up, you can go all the way to stainless steel. So here on our SGS28 gun, we've got a built-in stainless steel swivel. I'm not making this up. Last week I was over at my neighbor's house. He's got a giraffe pressure washer on the wall. Decent pressure washer for a homeowner. I was literally over there and his hose was tangled up in his hands and he's like, this has never happened, and he's fighting with the hose and everything. I said, let's slap on an SGS28 for you. I brought him, we've got blue, orange, and black plastics. I brought him a blue one and we hooked up the swivel to it, and it was, I mean, literally the hose unwound itself. As soon as we pulled that out, the swivel did its job and started untangling that hose. A lot of our guns, what we do here also is we can add fittings for you depending upon your hookups on your pressure washer. You can go anywhere from your entry level M407 all the way up to your built-in stainless steel swivels with fittings. We've got the right spray gun for you. So if you have any questions, comments, you want to pick my brain a little bit, leave a comment down below and like and subscribe for more content around pressure washing accessories, auto detailing accessories. I'm here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.